In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default subtitle font size on your VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. Select the Subtitles/OSD button near the top. And then if you go down on this page underneath Subtitle Effects where it says Font Size, you can click on the drop down and select Smaller, Normal, Large, or Larger, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.